there, Jasmine with WTI. If you're looking for an extraordinary gift for your children, check out KIDROCK Constructible Go-Kart Kit. This is the most unique go-kart our family has ever owned. It's easy to operate and has just enough speed for your child to feel like a real hot shot in their own backyard. It's a solid go-kart, and it has a cool erector set look to it, and it has the capability to be reassembled into 15 other shapes. It comes packaged super neat and organized. The crate is perfect for storing the extra pieces and parts. Assembly is required, and I definitely recommend you have a partner help you as an extra set of hands and extra set of eyes on that instruction manual. Its lightweight aluminum frame makes it easy to pack up and take with you, has longevity when it comes to battery life, and the brushless motor is really quiet, so it won't disturb you or your neighbors. My son is roughly 5 foot tall, and he fits really well on it. The footrests are adjustable, so you can personalize it to your child's height too. It gets around great on grass, and it picks up the pace on hard surfaces. It has a sharp turn radius, and the handbrake and hand gear for acceleration can be easily switched for personal preference. And it can even go in reverse. So if you're up for a fun family project and some serious outdoor excitement, then we highly recommend KIDROCK Constructible Go-Kart Kit. And that's our point of view.